30 inches, blizzard of 96. Look at that dress. Let's see a curtsy.
I said each time it messes up.
Very good. Turn around. Woo-hoo.
I'm doing the code for it.
Cheese.
I'm doing my cheese.
Can I look?
Oh.
Get the rabbit. Get the rabbit. Get the rabbit. Get the rabbit.
Get that.
Get the rabbit. Get the rabbit.
What you do, just copy it? Yeah.
Hey, Britt, can I help you open the front?
No.
That's beautiful.
How about that, Jim?
Having my
Jimmy, out of there. The girls are there.
With child.
Show me, were you a girl?
The belly button's an innie.
Yeah. I mean,
Wait a minute.
Not for long.
Somebody's missing.
Somebody's missing. Jenny?
Your mother?
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
He's out there playing music.
yeah, they're playing, they're not
Oh,
missing yet.
Jonathan's
Sit
here?
down. Not yet. This is girl talk here.
Oh.
This is girl talk.
Jimmy, a girl?
Yeah.
Jimmy's a girl. He wants to be with
Yeah, but he sure
girls.
wants to know what the hell's going on. Karen, I forgot this. I forgot the spoons. We'll make them, baby. Oh, thanks for sharing.
Who's that? James?
That came from the stove.
Are you reading the cards? Are you reading the cards?
I had,
No, let me guess. It's
Amy,
something with
Emily, and
battery.
Anne Marie helping me. They did my windows.
Oh, every study system.
Good.
Can you use
Oh, there's something else in there.
Oh, yeah. You want that? Perfume?
Let George in.
Stop!
Emily. Emily.
No, I don't do well with you know how I break
She
it
had
down?
her
Emily.
Do you like
Shake your butt.
Hey,
Britt!
Hey!
The juice. Let's see you snap your fingers. Thank you.
Your shirt's on upside down.
He could put my fingers back.
Oh.
Upside down, eh? Hey, George, turn around. This George. This shirt on back.
Upside down.
Upside. Turn your. Look at George. Look. He won't turn around. Turn around.
Listen to Dave. Good, Dave.
He won't turn around. Let me see the back. Hey, hey.
No, it's right side up. The trees are up. He's upside down. The trees are right side up. The water's all down.
Okay, it must be him. You're right.
No, it can't be solid. I bet it's a really big baby doll. Come in. Hey, Britt, what's that? Is that 4 minutes? Yeah!
Right there.
Kara.
That's it. Yeah, I
Go ahead.
Where's he at? Where's Jimmy? Where? Where is he?
A new bike! Yes! Thanks!
Not me. Don't look at me.
You like it, Jim?
Yeah! Perfect!
He's breaking it off.
I'm trying to get
They don't like
that.
Wait. Take this seat down.
Alright, nobody swing too high. Thing's not cemented in.
No, I seen that.
Happy birthday! Where is she? Call her. Tell her to come here.
Hi, baby. Brittany! Brittany! Come here.
Okay, how are you?
Brittany, come here. No, that isn't why, but say hi and come here.
I didn't say that. I said Jonathan's not a
Look.
Little dork, she didn't even look.
Brittany.
Look. Oh, that's not for you. Just wanted to show it to you. For me.
It's yours. Happy birthday from Pops. It's your bike.
What do you say to Pop?
Thank you, Pop.
All right, take that thing off. Take this off.
Listen to him.
Take this off.
I didn't want to be
That's
like
the
a
instructions. Okay, go ahead. Sit on it. Make sure you get on.
I have a bike. I have the same thing as pedals, the same thing.
Here goes Jimmy.
All right, Britt. Get down the sidewalk. Get down the sidewalk.
Let me help you. Thanks, Caitlin. Brittany, here.
Icy. Iced tea.
Sure.
Oh, so what, legal?
Alrighty then.
They'll use them, right?
Beautiful cake. I guess.
Are they dark?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you.
Go!
Not in the dirt.
Over here, Britt.
Aww. There's two.
Over here, Britt.
Get those two, Britt.
I'm part of the box.
Ow.
Oh.
You guys can walk up and hand the plates in my butt. It's on the table, baby.
I'm ready to eat one. Yeah, Britt. I'm eating the head. No!
Who wants her nose?
Brittany, look, I'm sitting next to him. It just fell off. I want the head.
I want to bite her neck. Rawr.
Ryan, it fell off. That's the thumb. I want to bite her bikini.
Don't go there.
Don't touch it.
You want to
Yes, you'll get.
Brittany, how old are you?
5.
Thank you.
Oh, she's not safe. Take the bike back.
Yeah.
You just popped the right in the head, Karen.
He's
Arrived, you probably had a bad head.
Hey, April, let's go play on the stage.
Hey, kid.
I need all the plates. That's all right. And
Gabby, say hi.
They probably go in.
Ashley.
Cut it loose and then they pull it out through the belly button.
Okay.
Hey, Missy just inhaled it.
Did you get Britt?
Missy inhaled it.
Is it good, Rashawn?
Yes.
It's good, Brian? Peace, Eddie, peace. You comfortable there, Stevie? Hi, Popeye. How's the cake, Sarah? Good? Who asked you? You're not going to puke today, are you?
you go in the house and get the rum cake and the Jewish
Rum
apple,
cake?
please.
Who's got ID to eat this rum cake?
No, this is not rum cake.
Oh, what are you laughing at? Scarface? It's Scarface over there.
Pocahontas cake.
Show us your scar on your face, Scarface.
Lauren, let me see your eye.
Emmy, you got.
Joe?
He wants it on TV.
Jimmy.
Run!
I got you, Jim. How you stop recording?
REC. It's recording, I can
How do you stop it?
see it. Press the red button again.
Get ready to run, Jim.